Hello everyone, welcome to next section of our video. In this section I'll tell you about the int variable. As in the previous video we have seen the string using a string data type, how we can declare a variable and use it. Now we'll see one of the most common is a int variable. So how you can use the data type int and declare a variable, and how you can modify the code using the int data type, and I'll show you some simple error fixing in case you are using two different variables. So let's start and begin by adding some more code to our previous code. So basically before going to my code, I'll tell you using a int variable you can work with numbers and we can assign it as a numeric type. So basically int variable is used for working with numbers and assigning a numeric type. So now I'll just go to my Android Studio and start adding some more code to our previous code. So here since till here we have already printed this fab fruit, I'll just go and start adding some more code to it. I'll declare a new variable known as maybe mango price, and assign it a value as 10. So basically we have declared a variable mango price, which is a int data type. So and it can hold a integer value which is 10. Next will be again I'll declare a value int. Total price is again a new variable I'm declaring, and total price will be equals to your mango price. So you can see over here mango price is already giving me, because we have already declared that variable mango price multiplied by 5. So basically what I am doing for calculating the total price, I am multiplying the price of a single mango price with 5 mangoes. So I have 5 mangoes and I am multiplying the price, and then I'll print it. Maybe I'll use south, and I'll print the value of mango price, and in the next line I'll print the value total price. So this is my complete code. Before executing this code, I'll just explain you what I have done. So you can see here the mango price is treated as a int, and we can do any kind of arithmetic calculation with it. Like I have done it, I have multiplied this mango price with 5. So any integer value I can use, because this mango price variable is already declared as a int type. So we can do, and we have got the total price. So 2 points you have to remember over here. First, we have declared two variables int which can store whole numbers. So I have declared two variables, one is mango price, one is total price, and both are storing a whole numbers. And second is we can use the value of variable in the calculation and assign the result of the calculation to another variable. What does that mean? We can use the value of variable. So here mango price itself was a variable, and we have used that mango price while calculating the value of other variable which is total price. So here you can see the value of total price is equals to mango price into 5. So I have just not used its value like 10, because that would have been then a static value, and then again if in future my mango price changes to 20, I have to go and change it everywhere. So instead of that I have used the variable mango price. So that is the benefit. So you can use the value of variable in calculation and assign the result of the calculation to another variable, as same we have done for the calculating the total price. And then in the next line I have just printed the mango price and the total price. So we'll just go and execute this code and see what is the result we are getting. Before that I'll just remove some of the lines so it will become easier for you. For previous code line I'm just deleting it. So I'll just run my code. So here you can see This is my first statement, I love eating fruits. The next is the fab fruit, the value of this variable fab fruit. Third line, it has printed, so this one is the line mango price, which was 10, so it got it right. And next line, it was total price, which it has done. Since the value of mango price was 10, in multiplied by 5, it got 50 for me. So this is how your int variable works and how the arithmetic calculation takes place. So before we proceed to next sections, I'll just tell you simple mistakes we do, and during the code, when we do this thing, we can just figure out what exactly wrong we have done with our code. So here I'll take some simple example, like instead of this mango price, which was declared as a int variable type, I'll just use my other variable, which was a string type, maybe fab fruit. So I'll just go and write here fab fruit. So as you can see over here, I got an error that this operator cannot be applied to this. Why this operator cannot be applied? Multiplication is an arithmetic operator, so it cannot be applied with to a string type, because fab fruit was a string data type and it cannot be applied with that. It has to be applied only with integers. So you have to declare your data type as int, then only that will be done. So this is the way how you can fix simple errors which you get when you try to use multiple data types and you get an error in your code. So I'll again change it back to my previous one, which was mango price. So this is how it has done it. If I go and change the number as well to maybe 6, it will go and print the value again. This is some of the simple techniques which we basically do. So once it runs my code, so you can see it has got a new value as 60, mango price into. So this is how we do basically in using a variable. So thank you, and in the next section I'll show you how you can concatenate string, int and a double variables, and we'll continue writing some more piece of code to this same Java code. So thanks, and let's begin the next section.